Hi guys, in this video we're going to be working through an exam style question.
Hi guys, we're going to take a look at an exam style question now to check our understanding. In the first question, we are given 6 important physical quantities, and we're reminded that all of these physical quantities are either a vector or a scalar. So here are the 6 quantities that we've been given. We've been given force, distance, temperature, velocity, speed, and displacement. Now here's the first part of the question. We're asked to complete the following table by categorizing each of the above quantities as either a scalar or a vector. So the first thing that we need to do is to remind ourselves of the definitions of a scalar and a vector. And we remember that a scalar is a quantity that can just be represented by a number, whereas a vector is given by a number or a magnitude and a direction. And remember, because a vector had a direction and a magnitude, we were able to represent a vector with an arrow, where the length of the arrow gave the magnitude and the direction of the arrow gave the direction of the vector. So now to fill in this table, we need to look at these quantities and see which of them would be represented by an arrow or a vector and which of them are just simple numbers. Let's start with force. We know that force has a direction. You could be pushing to the left, to the right, up or down. And so we know that force is a vector. Now let's move on to thinking about distance. Well, distance is just how far away are you from something. And that can be measured simply in meters, and it doesn't have any direction. So the distance is a scalar. Now let's think about temperature. We know that temperature can be measured on a thermometer, and the thermometer will give us the temperature in degrees centigrade. And the number of degrees is just a number, so temperature is a scalar. Let's think about the next 2 quantities together. So we're looking at velocity and speed. We have to try to remember what the difference is between velocity and speed. Well, the speed just tells us how fast something is moving. You could say something has a speed of 40 miles per hour or say 20 meters per second. And this is just a number. So speed is a scalar.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.